Good morning, children. Today we will discuss the question answers of chapter Birth. So, the first question is I have done something, oh God, I have done something real at last. Why does Andrew say this? What does it mean? So, children, you will write in this Andrew, the protagonist of the story Birth, utters these words as he is able to bring a stillborn child back to life, which seemed impossible in the beginning. The child is born still to the wife of Joe Morgan, but after feverish efforts, Andrew is able to bring the child back to the life. He utters these words out of deep satisfaction on achieving the seemingly impossible task. It means that Andrew has been able to do something wonderful. He has been able to do he has been able to apply whatever he learnt in the medical textbooks and even beyond that. It is really a great achievement for Andrew. The above words mean that a doctor is a medium through which God or the Almighty grants life to the patients. Andrew acknowledges this fact in the above quoted words. Children, generally, these are our long answers of this book. Now, the next is there lies a great difference between textbook medicine and the world of a practicing physician. Discuss. There lies a great difference between textbook medicine and the world of practicing physicians. Textbook medicine is purely a science, whereas treating a patient is an art. The world of practicing physician requires a different set of skills and knowledge. Textbook medicine, no doubt, provides the conceptual framework for treatment, but no doctor can treat a patient without the use of his or her intuitive practices. In the story Birth, the way Andrew brings back life in the stillborn child is a testimony to this fact. The nurse at first dumps the child thinking it to be dead, but Andrew takes a chance and the miracle happens. He, in the beginning, applies his textbook knowledge, but the child doesn't recover. He doesn't lose heart. He applies his own intuitive method, and the miracle then happened. Treatment is science and beyond. It is both a science and an art. The story Birth is a realistic fiction. In other words, we can say the elements of the story have been taken from real life experiences and woven in the fabric of fiction. So, this is all what you write in this. The third one, do you know of any incident when someone has been brought back to life from the brink of death through medical help? Discuss medical procedures such as organ transplant and the organ regeneration that are used to save human life. Children, this question, if you want to do, you have to do it yourself. It's not so important. One or two extra question I will send you that you will do. That's all. The chapter is complete. Have a good day.